Number 1. Use the view from Saturday to answer questions 1 through 5. Number 1. Based on Noah's conversation with his mother in paragraph 3 through 7, the reader can conclude that A. Noah will not be able to avoid fulfilling his mother's request. B. His mother knows that writing the letter may take a long time. C. Noah thinks his grandparents will not appreciate receiving the letter. D. His mother believes that Joey's letter will be more sincere than Noah's letter. Number 2. Which definition best matches the way the word do is used in paragraph 2? F. Expected to occur at a specific time. G. Able to meet an obligation. H. Accepted as appropriate. J. Being a cause of. Number 3. Noah's response to his mother's demand adds to the conflict by A. Increasing the tension between Noah and his mother. B. Forcing his mother to take away his privilege of using the computer. C. Leading his mother to doubt what she has taught him about respect. D. Causing Noah to have to listen to his mother lecture about letter writing. Number 4. The first person point of view allows the author to F. Emphasize the mother's struggle to understand Noah's feelings. G. Show the mother's opinions about B and B letters. H. Highlight the contrast between the two brothers' experiences. J. Share Noah's feelings about his situation. Number 5. Which sentence from the excerpt best illustrates Noah's conflict? A. My mother insisted that I write a B&B letter to my grandparents. B. Is Joey writing a B&B to Grandma and Grandpa Eberly? C. She explained, not too patiently, that a B&B letter is a bread and butter letter you write to people to thank them for having you as their house guest. D. My brother Joey had been sent to my other set of grandparents who live in a normal suburb in Connecticut. Use a little common courtesy, please, to answer questions 6 through 11. Number 6. By referring to the man in the grocery store as a novelist, the author, F, depicts writers as being self-absorbed in their work. G. Illustrates why grocery stores are interesting places to observe people. H. Suggests that technology has increased our ability to stay in touch with friends. J. Emphasizes the man's rudeness by exaggerating how long he took to write a text message. Number 7. In which sentence does the author attempt to stir emotions in the reader? A. They tell their children not to interrupt when others are talking. B. Children are taught to apologize when they've been disrespectful to a schoolmate. C. Imagine the confusion children feel when adults refuse to practice the simple courtesies they themselves preach. D. It's true that we live in a fast-paced world now, and technology has contributed to the instantness of our society. Number 8. The examples in paragraph 3 and 4 reinforce the author's point that being courteous, F, guarantees that others will show their appreciation by being kind in return. G, is not something that should be practiced only at a young age. H, requires time and energy but is still worthwhile. J, is less important for adults than for children. Number 9. The word justify in paragraph 2 means to A, provide an opportunity. B, give up on a task. C, make acceptable. D, explain in detail. Number 10. The author supports the central argument of the article mainly by F, describing personal observations. G, referring to facts on the subject. H, sharing quotations from experts on the subject. J, comparing rules from the past with rules from the present. Number 11. By referring to Emily Post in both the beginning and ending of the article, the author A, implies that etiquette focused too much on the other's feelings and not enough on a person's own actions. B, suggests that traditional ideas about etiquette do not apply to the digital etiquette needed today. C, implies that hosting a party based on the information from Emily Post's book would be difficult today. D, communicates that even though some etiquette rules may be outdated, the need to have manners is still important today. Excuse me. Use both passages to answer questions 12 through 16. Number 12. What is one difference between Noah's mother in the excerpt and the author of the article? F. Noah's mother thinks that computers are not useful tools, while the author understands the value of technology. G. Noah's mother believes it is young people who are not courteous, while the author believes that some adults also lack courtesy. H. Noah's mother applauds the behavior of others, while the author criticizes the behavior of others. J. Noah's mother encourages her sons to appreciate their elders, while the author explains how adults need to demonstrate more respect for young people. Number 13. Read this sentence from paragraph 4 of A Little Common Courtesy, Please. We teach these manners to children so that they can use them throughout their lives. Which event from the View from Saturday best demonstrates this message? A. Noah's mother insists that he write a thank you letter to his grandparents. B. Noah's mother expresses concern about the youth of her son's generation. C. Noah explains why he believes he should receive a thank you letter. D. Noah points out that his brother has something to be thankful for. Number 14. How are Noah's mother in the excerpt and the mother of the child in the article similar? F. They show respect for the ideas presented by Emily Post. G. They are ashamed about how their children has behaved. H. They point out how their children can be courteous to someone. J. They believe that children today do not know how to act in public. Number 15. How does Noah in the excerpt act like the texting grocery shopper in the article? A. Both are confused about what to do in a particular situation. B. Both think that what they are being asked to do is unfair. C. Both refuse to take responsibility for their actions. D. Both would prefer to disregard the request of others. Number 16. Read this sentence from A Little Common Courtesy, Please. I think that common courtesy is no less important today than it was in the past. Which character from The View from the Saturday holds a similar belief? F. Joey. G. Noah. H. The mother. J. The grandparents.